Episode 42, week 42 usage from the 12th of October to the 18th of October. As usual, the setup's in the description below, but moving straight on to the usage data. In the Egolf we did 121 miles for the week, and the Tesla Model 3 we did 46 miles, so it's 167 miles travelled for the week. The generation meter is now reading 32,522 kilowatt hours, which is only 38 kilowatt hours generated for the week and 3,620 kilowatt hours since the start of 2020. No activity from the Eddi this week, so it stays at 1.8 kilowatt hours for the month and 275 kilowatt hours for the year. For week 42 we've imported 283 kilowatt hours, which is 8,201 kilowatt hours for 2020. Moving on to the Tesla data, it says we've had a home usage of 317 kilowatt hours. We've had 35.7 kilowatt hours from the solar, and the powerwall we've had 92.4 kilowatt hours from. We've pulled 288 kilowatt hours from the grid and 0.2 back into the grid. Only 11% of our home usage came from the solar, rather from the Powerwall or directly from the solar. The day-by-day usage, so Monday the 12th of October, we pulled 33.6 kilowatt hours from the grid. We got 14.6 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of only 3.5 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 40.5 kilowatt hours. On Tuesday the 13th of October we pulled 42.9 kilowatt hours from the grid with nothing going back. We got 10.7 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. Solar contribution was 5.1 kilowatt hours and the home usage was 46.4 kilowatt hours. The thick blue line is car charging and Powerwall charging, and the blue line, which looks like it's shooting up and down, that's the boiler kicking in and out to keep the temperature high in the house. On Wednesday the 14th of October we pulled 33 kilowatt hours from the grid with nothing going back. We got 13.5 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 8.3 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 39.2 kilowatt hours. On Thursday the 15th of October we pulled 29.2 kilowatt hours from the grid with nothing going back. We got 11.1 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. The solar contribution was 8.9 kilowatt hours and the home usage was 35.2 kilowatt hours. And Friday the 16th of October we pulled 32.4 kilowatt hours from the grid with nothing going back. We got 14.2 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 3.1 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 35.9 kilowatt hours. And on Saturday the 17th of October we did some car charging, so we pulled 43.8 kilowatt hours from the grid with nothing going back. We got 12.7 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of 3.9 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 46.2 kilowatt hours. And on Sunday the 18th of October we pulled a massive 73 kilowatt hours from the grid with nothing going back, and this is mainly because the boiler kicked on for a considerable amount of time on Sunday morning to get the house up to temperature. We did do some car charging again and also Powerwall charging, hot water charging, so it all adds up. We got 15.7 kilowatt hours from the Powerwall. We had a solar contribution of only 3 kilowatt hours and a home usage of 73.8 kilowatt hours. Thanks for watching. If you've got any comments or questions, please add it to the section below, and please like and subscribe.